everybody, it's Wani May and I'm back with a new video. As you can see by the title, today I'm going to be showing you how I reinstalled this wig. If you're new here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you're a returning subscriber, hello, it's so good to see you again. Let me know how you feel in the comments. But yes, this is the wig from this video. I only wore it once and I wore it for about a week. I installed it for my birthday last year. These braids have been in here since I took off the wig. Again, I only wore this wig once, so there wasn't that much buildup in it, but I'm going to start by washing the wig first. I always use hot to lukewarm water because I feel like it helps loosen up that glue that's on there. But I'm going to saturate the whole wig, including the lace, and then apply shampoo. First, I kind of massage it in with my fingers before I grab my handy dandy toothbrush, and then I scrub. After scrubbing this side, I flip it over and scrub the other side as well. After scrubbing both sides, I rinse it off and repeat as needed. While rinsing, I use my fingers to feel for any glue and I roll it off. Luckily, there wasn't that much glue in here, so it didn't take me too long. If there were more glue on here, this would probably take a lot longer and a little bit more product. I would advise using a lace remover or alcohol to help get it off. This hard toothbrush is really good at peeling off the lace too. Now, this is an Amazon wig, so the install is gonna give Amazon wig. However, having clean lace is really essential to a nice, clean install. I shampooed and scrubbed one more time before I just washed the entire wig. I did not use conditioner on this wig, so after I rinsed it out, I let it air dry. So I finally decided to take out these braids. At this point, the wig was dry. This was the next day. I stopped wearing wigs a little while ago because I got tired of the maintenance, and I also just like the look of a leave out. But this past winter, I went a little overboard with the heat, so now I'm just trying to give my hair a break. Okay, for the wig, I did not have my wax stick, so I used mousse or foam to kind of help lay it down with the hot comb. I ended up grabbing my beeswax because I wanted it to lay a little bit better. I did forget to mention that I did pluck a little bit more before starting this process. I don't really like to pluck too much of my wigs initially because I like to try to rewear them, and over time the hair will fall out and thin out on its own, so I just did a little bit more plucking. So here I tried to cut some layers into it because I knew I wanted to curl it and I wanted some nice layered curls. So now I'm taking my curling iron and I'm putting some big curls in there and I'm pinning them up. If I can figure out the name of the curling iron, I will put it in the description box, but it is a Conair. So I'm starting the bald cap by cutting out the ear holes. After that, I'm going to use a Flawless Solutions lace glue to keep that down. Now, I went this whole install without using Ebin or Ebin. I know apparently we are boycotting them. I'm not sure if we found a good alternative for this spray yet because I used Got2b spray during this install, and I think it does make the lace a little bit more crunchier and leaves like a white cast. I don't know. Anyways, I apologize. As you can see, my light kept going off. I put down one layer of glue and I sprayed it with some Got2b, and then I cut off the excess cap. Here I'm wiping off makeup and any excess glue. If this was a brand new wig, I would have already tried it on and made sure it fit properly, but because this is a reinstall, I already know it's gonna fit my head. I took the little flaps in the back and I tied them together to secure the wig and make it even tighter. I think it looked good even without any glue on it. So now I'm putting on more glue so that I can finally glue the wig down. I'm going to use 2 layers. I applied 1 layer of glue, I let that dry, and then I applied another layer of glue, and I let that get a little tacky before I pulled down the wig. So I do apologize, I didn't realize I was not in camera frame because I was looking in the mirror, but here I'm just pressing down the lace. I use Got2b to help melt it before I put on the wig band. I was on my way out, so I didn't leave the wig band on for long. I did my lashes and then started taking out the curls. I forgot to say that before I glued down the wig, I took my foundation and I put it on the bottom and the top of the lace to tint the lace. I love the look of the loose curls, but this hair could not hold the curls, so they fell very quickly, but it was nice while it lasted. After finger combing through the curls, I went ahead and put some hairspray in it, laid the edges, and put concealer on the part. If you made it this far in the video, I'd like to say thank you so much for watching. Go ahead and leave a comment on how you feel, any recommendations or suggestions. Don't forget to like the video, and if you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Oh yeah, and one last thing before I wrap up this look. Go ahead and hit the notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload.